Wudu is the ritual purification performed by Muslims before prayer. The purpose of wudu is to cleanse oneself before connecting with Allah. Before starting wudu, forming the intention, niyyah, in the heart, to perform wudu for the sake of Allah is essential. This intention, niyyah, is a key part of the purification process. Hand washing begins by thoroughly wetting hands up to the wrist. Wash the right hand 3 times, ensuring water reaches every part. Repeat the washing process 3 times on the left hand. The hand washing process should be repeated 3 times, extending up to the wrist. Alternate between the right and left hands during each repetition of the washing process. Consistent and thorough hand washing helps ensure effective hygiene. Wash hands up to the wrists, ensuring thorough cleaning. This step is the final hand washing in preparation for the next steps of wudu. Thorough cleaning ensures proper hygiene before proceeding. Rinsing the mouth involves using fresh water to cleanse the oral cavity. The rinsing process should be repeated 3 times to ensure thorough cleaning. Swishing the water around the mouth ensures complete cleaning of all areas. Rinsing the mouth a second time ensures thorough purification. Repeat the rinsing process to ensure water reaches all areas inside the mouth. The complete mouth rinsing process should be repeated 3 times. The mouth rinsing process is completed by performing it a 3rd time. Ensure the mouth is thoroughly clean after the 3rd rinse. A clean mouth prepares one for prayer. Nasal cleansing involves sniffing water into the nostrils and expelling it. The recommended method involves sniffing water in and blowing it out 3 times per nostril. Traditional practice suggests using the right hand to sniff water and the left hand to expel it. Repeat the nasal cleansing process to ensure thorough removal of impurities. The nasal cleansing process should be repeated 3 times for optimal result. Consistent nasal cleansing helps maintain clear and healthy nasal passages. The final step in nasal cleansing during wudu involves sniffing water into the nose. After sniffing, the water is then forcefully blown out of the nose. This completes the 3rd and final repetition of the nasal cleansing process in wudu. The face should be washed from the hairline down to the chin. The face should be washed from ear to ear. Repeat the washing process 3 times to ensure complete coverage. Ensure water covers the entire face during washing. The face must be washed thoroughly, ensuring no area is missed. Repeat the washing process 3 times for optimal cleansing. Consistent and thorough washing is essential for effective facial hygiene. The face washing process is completed by repeating the washing action a 3rd time. Repeating the washing action ensures thorough cleansing of the face. The 3rd wash ensures that all traces of dirt and cleanser are removed, leaving the skin fully cleansed. The right arm is washed from the fingertips to the elbow. This washing process is repeated 3 times. Ensure water covers the entire surface of the right arm during each wash. The right arm is washed thoroughly from fingertips to elbow. This washing process is repeated 3 times for thorough cleaning. Ensure complete coverage during each washing, reaching all areas of the arm. The right arm is washed for a 3rd and final time. This completes the washing of the right arm, fulfilling a step of wudu. Wudu involves specific steps to ensure ritual purity. The left arm is washed from the fingertips to the elbow. Ensure water covers the entire left arm during washing. The washing process is repeated 3 times. The left arm should be washed thoroughly from fingertips to elbow. Repeat the washing of the left arm 3 times for optimal cleanliness. Ensure complete coverage during each wash to remove impurities effectively. The left arm is washed for a 3rd and final time to complete this step of wudu. Washing the left arm 3 times is a required step in the ritual cleansing process. Completing this action fulfills a specific requirement within the wudu ritual. The action of wiping the head in ablution involves moistening both hands. Start the wiping motion from the front hairline, moving towards the back of the neck. Return the wiping motion from the back of the neck to the front hairline. The entire wiping process, from front to back and back to front, is performed only once. Begin by wetting your fingers with clean water. Insert your index fingers gently into your ears. Wipe the back of your ears using your thumbs in a gentle motion. This ear cleaning process should only be performed once. The right foot should be washed from the toes to the ankle. Ensure the entire right foot is covered with water during the washing process. The right foot should be washed 3 times. Following the correct procedure, the right foot should be washed thoroughly from the toes to the ankle. Repeat the washing of the right foot 3 times to ensure complete cleanliness. Thorough cleaning involves ensuring that all parts of the foot, including between the toes, are properly cleansed. The right foot is washed for the final time, completing a step of wudu. This final wash ensures thoroughness in the ritual cleansing process. Completing the washing of the right foot signifies the end of this specific step in wudu. The left foot should be washed from the toes to the ankle. Ensure the entire left foot is covered with water during the washing process. The left foot should be washed a total of 3 times. The left foot should be washed thoroughly from the toes to the ankle. Repeat the washing of the left foot 3 times to ensure complete cleanliness. Thorough cleaning involves ensuring all parts of the foot are reached, including between the toes. The left foot is washed for the final time, completing the wudu ritual. This final washing ensures thoroughness and adherence to the prescribed sequence of wudu. Completing the washing of the left foot signifies the end of this specific step in the wudu purification process. Reciting the dua supplication is a recommended practice after completing wudu. Ablution. Concluding wudu with dua is a way to finalize and elevate the purification ritual. The dua serves as a supplication, expressing gratitude and seeking blessings after physical purification. Maintaining cleanliness is an essential practice in Islam. Wudu, the ritual ablution, purifies individuals physically before prayer. Wudu also helps purify individuals spiritually, preparing them for prayer. Performing wudu correctly prepares one to stand before Allah in prayer. Wudu ensures a clean body, free from impurities, before prayer. Wudu helps purify the heart and mind, fostering a state of spiritual readiness. Wudu is not merely a physical act, it is a spiritual preparation. Wudu connects individuals to Allah, fostering a deeper sense of devotion. Performing wudu enhances the quality and sincerity of worship. Wudu is a gift from Allah, providing a means of purification. Through wudu, individuals can purify themselves before prayer. Purification through wudu allows one to draw closer to Allah through prayer. Thorough hand washing involves cleaning all surfaces with soap and water. Effective hand washing requires a minimum of 20 seconds to remove pathogens. Proper hand washing technique includes wetting hands, applying soap, lavering, rinsing, and drying. Regular hand washing significantly reduces the spread of infectious diseases.